Welcome to the ICD-10-CM Basics Knowledge Check. In this quiz, you'll test your understanding of ICD-10-CM with 8 multiple-choice questions. Can you score a perfect 8 out of 8? You'll have 5 seconds to answer each question before the correct answer and a brief explanation are revealed. Before we begin, here's a quick fact to remember. ICD was developed by the World Health Organization. In the United States, ICD-10-CM is maintained by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention through its National Center for Health Statistics. Keep this distinction in mind. It will help you answer one of the questions in this quiz. Now, let's get started. Knowledge check number 1. What does ICD stand for? Is it A. International Classification of Diseases, B. Internal Clinical Documentation, C. International Coding Database, or D. Integrated Clinical Diagnosis? Take a moment to choose your answer. Pause for the 5-second countdown. Time's up! The correct answer is A. International Classification of Diseases. That's correct. ICD stands for International Classification of Diseases. It is the global standard for classifying diseases, health conditions, injuries, and causes of death. The system was developed by the World Health Organization, or WHO, to support consistent health reporting around the world. Let's move on to question 2. Knowledge check number 2. What does CM stand for? Is it A. Clinical Management, B. Clinical Modification, C. Coding Manual, or D. Clinical Medicine? Take a moment to choose your answer. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Clinical Modification. That's correct. CM stands for Clinical Modification. It is the U.S. adaptation of the World Health Organization's ICD-10 classification and is used for diagnosis coding in healthcare settings throughout the United States. Let's move on to question 3. Knowledge check number 3. Who uses ICD-10-CM? Is it A. Architects and engineers, B. Healthcare providers and medical coders, C. Airline pilots, or D. Pharmacists only? Take a moment to choose your answer. Pause for the 5-second countdown. Time's up! The correct answer is B. Healthcare providers and medical coders. That's correct. ICD-10-CM is used by healthcare providers, medical coders, hospitals, clinics, and health insurance companies to accurately document and report patient diagnoses. Accurate diagnosis coding supports patient care, billing, reimbursement, public health reporting, and healthcare data analysis. Let's move on to question 4. Knowledge check number 4. Which organization developed the ICD? Is it A. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, B. American Medical Association, or AMA, C. World Health Organization, or WHO, or D. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS? Take a moment to choose your answer. Pause for the 5-second countdown. Time's up. The correct answer is C. World Health Organization. That's correct. The World Health Organization developed the International Classification of Diseases to provide a global standard for classifying diseases and health conditions. Let's move on to question 5. Knowledge check number 5. True or false? ICD-10-CM is used only in the United States. Is the correct answer A. True, or B. False? Take a moment to choose your answer. Pause for the 5-second countdown. Time's up! The correct answer is A. True. That's correct. ICD-10-CM is the U.S. clinical modification of the International Classification of Diseases. It is used only in the United States for diagnosis coding. Let's move on to question 6. Knowledge check number 6. What is the primary purpose of ICD-10-CM? A. To code medical procedures. B. To classify and report diagnoses and health conditions. C. To prescribe medications. D. To schedule patient appointments. Pause for the 5-second countdown. Time's up. The correct answer is B. To classify and report diagnoses and health conditions. That's correct. The primary purpose of ICD-10-CM is to provide a standardized system for classifying and reporting diagnoses and health conditions. Let's move on to question 7. Knowledge check number 7. What does the 10 in ICD-10 stand for? Is it A. The 10th chapter of the coding manual, B. The 10th edition or revision of the International Classification of Diseases, C. The number of code categories, or D. The maximum number of characters in an ICD code? You have 5 seconds. Choose the best answer. Pause for the 5-second countdown. Time's up. The correct answer is B. The 10th edition or revision of the International Classification of Diseases. Great job if you got it right. The 10 in ICD-10 represents the 10th revision of the International Classification of Diseases. Each new revision updates the classification system to reflect advances in medicine, changes in disease patterns, and improvements in healthcare reporting. Let's move on to our final question. Knowledge check number 8. Which U.S. organization maintains ICD-10-CM? Is it A. World Health Organization, or WHO, B. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, C. American Medical Association, or AMA, or D. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS? You have 5 seconds. Choose the best answer. Pause for the 5-second countdown. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC. Great job if you got it right. In the United States, ICD-10-CM is maintained by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention through its National Center for Health Statistics, or NCHS. The CDC updates ICD-10-CM to support accurate diagnosis coding and healthcare reporting. Congratulations! You've completed the ICD-10-CM Basics knowledge check. How did you do? Share your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future ICD-10-CM lessons and knowledge checks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.